Hello, it's your girl Linda, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back again to teach you another line dance. If this is your first time watching me via YouTube, make sure you subscribe, then go over to my Facebook page and like my page at Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing. I am in the New Orleans East area and I teach several cardio line dancing. If you or someone you know interested in line dance classes, please give me a contact at area code 504-251-0674. So guys, as you know, I am showing you my love for supporting me on my YouTube channel. If you would like to send me your t-shirt and I'll give you a shout out, make sure you inbox me on my Facebook page and I'll send you my information. So this beautiful shirt I have on is by Christopher Page Apparel, and he's your home for your line dance apparel. So if you want something blinged out for your group, if you want something customized, make sure you go over to his Facebook page, Christopher Page Apparel. So this shirt is Dance Like No One's Gonna put you on YouTube. Too late for that, right? So shout out to Christopher Page Apparel for giving me this beautiful shirt. Thank you so much. So this next line dance I'm going to teach you is Something Sexy line dance. And it's by Sean Dennis and EJAYA Johnson. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. Here we go. So it starts with a mambo with a cha-cha-cha up on the right, then back on the left. You go right, left, right, back, left, right, left. And this is pretty much the step you're going to use. This step here, right, left, right, left. We're going to take it around the whole entire room, okay? Watch this. And all you're going to do is keep that same step. Right, left, right, around the whole entire room until we get back to the front. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Upright. Right, left, right, back, left, right, turn, right, left, step, left, right, turn back, left, right, step, left, right, turn, and cross, right, left, and left, right. Okay, I'm back to the front. So I'm going to slow it down for you, but I want to give you that concept. That same step, we're just taking it around the room, okay? Here, I use a pivot on the right and step right into this turn. This one here, I just step back and then step up. This one here, I just cross over. Each time we make a quarter turn. Here we go. Stay here. You step right, left, right, back, left, right, pivot turn, right, left, stay here and step out, left, right, okay? Now, I need to make another turn, I'm done. I did the right and I did the left. So my last step was on my left. So I'm going to step back with my left shoulder and step right, left, right, facing you, and step up, left, right, left. I'm done because I step back, right, left. Step back only on your right to make that quarter turn with your left shoulder coming back, right, and then step forward, left, right, step up, left, right, left. I'm done. It's time to make another quarter turn going to the next wall. I came here, I'm here, now I'm going to move it here. So I'm going to cross over on my right because the last step was on my left. Right, left. Cross over. Left, right, and I'm done. So I did this wall, every wall. Okay? Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, back, left, right, left. So I did right, left, I did back, on my left, right, left. Last step on the left. left. I did the right, stepped up on the right, then back on the right, on the left. Now I'm gonna do the same thing here. So I step out, right, left, cross, right, left, right, right, left. So I did my right and I did my left. So I'm finished at this wall. The last step was on my left. I step back, shoulder come back, I'm going to the next wall. Right, left. So just step back on your right, and the left come forward, left, left. So it's right, left, right, up, left, left. So I did my right, I went right, left, right, up, left, left. So I did my right and my left. At this wall, it's time to move on. Last step was on the left. So I cross over, right, left. I cross over my left, step on my right. Cross over my left, step on my right. Right, left, right. I'm gonna step on my left, crossing over on my right. Left, right, left, and back to the front. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, up, right, left, back, left, right, pivot turn, right, left, pivot, left, right, turn, right, left, up, left, right, turn, right, left, right, left. Okay, there we go. So that's the first part. Okay, the second part is this, second frame. Okay, I'm gonna just real simple. I'm gonna do 4 of these. I'm gonna shuffle right, left, swirl, right, swirl, left, swirl, right, swirl, left. So I just alternate. You shuffle, swirl, right. Shuffle, swirl, left. Shuffle, swirl, right. Shuffle, swirl, left. So you start right, left, swirl, right, swirl, left, swirl, right, and left, swirl, left. So you're going to do 4 of those. Adding on. I'm not going to take you back to the top because we're doing a lot of spinning, okay? So let's get our balance back. So you take it around the room, you do your swirl. Right, left, you're doing 4. The next thing is real easy. You go out on the right, cross to the front. Out on the left, cross to the front. Out on the right, cross to the front. Out on the left. As I'm doing this, I'm moving forward. And I'm going to do 8 of them. Stepping out on my right first and moving it forward. So this is how it looks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 together. Okay, so my last one I step together. So you just out and cross, starting on the right first, and you're doing 8, okay? So let's do that, and then we're gonna add on. So you go out on the right, that's 1. Out on the 2, right on the left, that's 3. Out on the right, that's 3, I'm sorry. Out on the left, that's 4. Out on the right, that's 5. Out on the left, that's 6. Out on the right, that's 7. Out on the left, together, that's 8. Now, coming back, we move forward. Now I want you to take the same step and move it back. So when we went forward, we crossed forward. So now I want you to cross to the back and move back. Stepping out on the right. Out, that's 1. Out on your right. Right, cross to the back. Left, cross to the back. Right, cross to the back. Left. I got 4 more. Out right, cross to the back. Out left. 2 more. Out right, cross to the back. Out left. cross to the back. And we'll cross together on your last one, okay? So let's put both of those together. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Together. Then you back at the top. Right, left, right. Right, left, right, left, right, back. Left, right, left, right, left. You back at the top. Okay? So this is the only thing I'm going to show you that you have to do when you come back, which I like. You're going to alternate with your clap, and then you're going to pluck your fingers. So you're out, 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 clap, pluck, clap, pluck, clap, and pluck. Okay? So you're going to clap and then pluck your finger. You're alternating with that. Clap, pluck, clap, pluck. Okay? Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, and out. So with your hands out. And then you still gotta count. Don't you love it? It's a mental workout too. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you start back over. So let's go to the top. The very, very top. Let's go. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Up, right. Right, left, right, left, right. Back, left, right, left, right, left. Turn. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Step back. Turn. Right, left, up. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Turn. Right, left, right. Crossover. Left, right, back to front. Left, right, left. Shuffle, shuffle, swirl, right. Left, right, swirl, left. Right, left, swirl. Right, left, right, swirl, left. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is together. And that's it. That's the whole line in Something Sexy. So make sure you check out Christopher Page Apparel on his Facebook page. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you next time.